handpiece assembly. How do we put these guys together? So this first one here is our slow speed motor. We're gonna pick that up and we're gonna put on our straight cone. So the straight cone just goes right on the top and pushes down in until you hear it click. Make sure you always check when you're putting anything together. All right, now to put on the mandrel, this is a mandrel. It's kind of a long shank. And if we look at the top, it's got like either a screw or a kind of pop-on type top there. The mandrel is gonna go into our straight angle. And to do that, we want to push down the release here, push in the mandrel, perfect, and then pull on it to make sure it's in. So that would be something you would use maybe for temporary crowns, doing things more like a lab type of thing, not intraorally with this. All right, to release the mandrel and the polishing disc, we're gonna push down and pull straight out. Good, and then to release from the slow speed motor, there's a red button here that is your release. So anything that you attach to the motor, to release it, you're gonna push the red button and pull off. All right, so that's the nose cone or straight angle. Now we're going to put on the contra angle, which will snap right down onto the motor. Good. Now, to put burrs into the contra angle or the slow speed, it has a back that has a latch on it, and the type of burrs we're gonna put in there are latch burrs, okay? So if you see here, it's got a little latch on the end. We wanna line that up. So we're gonna put it in. Good, and you kind of have to turn it so you make sure that it comes through in the back. Right here, perfect. And then you can latch it down. Always pull on it to make sure it's in. All right, and to release, you're gonna slide over the little latch and pull the burr out. So that's a slow speed, and that uses latch burrs. All right, moving down to our Coronal polish handpiece or our hygiene handpiece. This one's pretty simple. What you want to do is take your Profi angle. This is your Profi angle, and it has a little stem at the bottom. On top of the hygiene handpiece or the Profi handpiece, you have a little knot there. So you want to line up that notch to that opening on your Profi angle, and you just push down. And always check it to make sure it's on. To take it off, you're just going to pull straight out. That's your handpiece assembly.